Imagine flying from Lagos to Nairobi. How do pilots find the shortest route? Today we learn distance between points on Earth. Angular distance is the angle formed at Earth's center between 2 points. The shortest path is not a straight line through Earth, but along the surface. Arc length is equals radius r times angle θ2. Theta must be in radians, not degrees. 1 radian equals about 57 degrees. The straight chord distance uses d equals 2r sine θ2 over 2. Arc distance is longer than chord distance, like walking around versus cutting across. Example 1. Two towns are 30 degrees apart on the equator. First, convert degrees to radians. 30 degrees equals pi over 6 radians. Arc distance equals 6,400 times pi over 6. This gives approximately 3,358 kilometers. Always box your final answer. Example 2. Find the chord distance for the same towns. Use d equals 2r sine θ2 over 2. Substitute θ2 equals pi over 6. This becomes 2 times 6,400 times sine pi over 12. Sine pi over 12 is 0.259. Answer is 3,315 kilometers. Common mistake. Students forget to convert degrees to radians. Your calculator must be in radian mode. Always check your angle unit before substituting. Remember, arc goes around, chord cuts through. Arc equals r θ2. Chord equals 2r sine θ2 over 2. Always convert degrees to radians first. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more Form 4 maths lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more questions. Keep learning.